Today we will share how to restore HUAWEI Mate 20 that has been heavily dropped. Both the front glass and back cover are damaged. The middle frame is deformed too. Turn on the phone to test. We can see that the display and touch have malfunctioned. Therefore, we need to replace the back cover, middle frame and screen. Then we disassemble the phone. The disassembly process of Mate 20 is different from iPhone. The back cover needs to be removed first. The back cover of Mate 20 is glued to the middle frame. We need to heat the back cover for removal. Put the phone on the heating platform at 90 degrees Celsius to heat for 2 minutes. Separate the back cover with a knife blade and pry piece. To facilitate separation, apply some alcohol. Please separate from left to right to avoid damaging the flex cable. Then we remove the middle frame screws. After the screws are removed, detach the middle frame protection board. Disconnect the flex cables. Remove the SIM card tray and motherboard. Apply some alcohol around the battery to extract the battery. Remove the receiver and headset jack. Yank the speaker and charging port PCB out. Remove the vibration engine and antenna out. Apply some alcohol around the screen. Separate the screen from the middle frame with a pry piece. Take out the distance sensor module. Install the battery and motherboard on a new screen and middle frame to test. The display and touch functions are normal. It can be judged that the screen quality is good. Next, we restore the phone. Apply some E8000 to glue the distance sensor module. Peel off the middle frame protection film. Apply some E8000 on the edges of the screen. Attach the screen to the middle frame. Press the screen against the middle frame with a press clamp. It can be seen that the screen and middle frame fit perfectly. Install the vibration engine and charging port PCB. Connect the motherboard connector and antenna. Install the speaker and screws. Put the antenna in position. Set the buffer cotton, headset jack and receiver up. Install the motherboard and connect the flex cables. Fix the front camera and the antenna. Then install the battery and connect the motherboard connector. Apply some alcohol on the camera and fingerprint frames of the damaged back cover. Take out the camera and fingerprint frames. Apply some E8000 to the new back cover to glue the camera and fingerprint frames. Connect the fingerprint flex cable and attach the middle frame protection board. Drive the screws. Apply some adhesive around the middle frame. Press the back cover against the middle frame with a press clamp. Insert the SIM card tray. Turn on the phone to test. The display and touch functions return to normal. You can buy repair tools and HUAWEI phone parts in the video from REWA shop. REWA will share more Android repair cases in the future. Please share phone models and repair cases that you are interested in the comment section. In the meantime, REWA Academy will launch Android phone repair course in the future. Please stay tuned.